Once the beacon calibration is complete, and we have recorded the parameters by taking a screenshot or photo, when the tracing device is turned on, this is the default interface. Click on Settings in the top menu bar. We can see the device's current IP address on the left side of the screen, which is 192.168.46.19 by default. If it doesn't conflict with other devices, we don't need to change it. But how to change IP? Left-click the mouse button, select Static IP, and enter the corresponding IP address, subnet mask, and gateway and other related information. Then click Setting. Then the device will automatically restart to change to the new IP address. We need to record the IP address of the device when we connect to an ArcNet network extender. If we want to output data to the network extender, select Unicast option. Then enter the IP address of the ArcNet network extender. Link corresponds to the port we just plugged into on the back panel of the device. Universe starts from 0, so line 1 corresponds to universe 0, line 2 corresponds to universe 1, and so on. Then turn on the activate. Click Save to save the modification we just done. If we directly use the signal cable to connect to the fixture, then we don't need to set this part. Only needs to be set when using ArcNet. Let's remember the IP address again. Let's take a look at the back of the device. One end of the network cable is plugged into the LAN port of the device. The other end of the network cable is connected to the laptop. We need to change the laptop's IP address to be the same as the tracking device. Currently, the laptop is connected to the tracking device via Ethernet cable. Double-click to open the browser on the laptop. Enter the device's IP address here, 192.168.46.19. Then followed by a colon. Colon 1880/UI. This URL is designed to facilitate our calculation of the on-site offset. The part after the colon is fixed, and the front part here corresponds to the IP address of the device. Click Enter on the keyboard. Enter into the calculation interface. In the last video, when we were calibrating the base station, we took screenshots or photos of the X, Y coordinate data of several base stations. We fill in the X, Y values from A0 to A3 on the URL. Let's enter the values one by one. A 0x and Y is 0 and 0. Then a 1x is 0.063. Then a 1y is 6.831. Then a 2x is 10.072. The 2y is 6.682. Then a 3x is 10.72. The 3y is 0. After we input all the values, click Calculate. Obtain the x, y-axis value of the midpoint, and the calculation of offset for points B, C, and D. We can record these data by taking photos or screenshots. Then click Save. Then we can close this page and proceed to the next step.